Yo,
this is a zombie game.
this is crazy. Hear me out. I'm telling you. Y'all want me to go hard, right? Okay. True warrior. Let's go. My Lord, make me soak in your blood, make me whole, be my shield, lift my soul from the dirt. Let the secrets unfold while we read through your scrolls, make me learn even more. Serving you is my goal from the start. I'ma do it with my heart to the light from the dark. Open spark. When you died on the cross, now found I was lost. I became like the boss, dead to self. Never ever ever felt such an everlasting belt that the Lord has around me. I am free from the flames up in hell. No more sin when my Jesus broke the veil. He became like a shield, did it well. Let the 12 disciples show us wealth in the land of the Lord. Go and bow to our God up above. Let us do it for his love. Serving him is a plus. It will add to your joy. From death to us part. My Lord has my heart. My life will restore. I'm renewed from my past, from the dark. Open up, I will knock on your door. Make it all be unlocked. Lord, cheer. Come to this. Never thought it would come to this. Never thought it would come to this. Never thought it would come to this. I never ever. Never thought it would come to this. I never thought it would come to this. Never. Never thought it would come to this. Never thought it would come to this. Man, it's crazy.